Let's see if this is worth the buy. So it has the cleanser, eye cream, makeup cleanser, face cream, and booster drops. And if you didn't know and you're new to my channel, my name is Tila. I am reinventing myself and I wanted a skincare routine with affordable but great products. So the cleanser feels thick when I applied it. I didn't wet my face, I just slowly added water. There's a light lather buildup, but it was just the first wash. So I was like, let me not judge it too much. And at this point, I was like, is it really cleaning? Because, I don't know. Now, the second wash had more of a lather, thus showing it actually clean. Okay, just like when you wash your hair 1, 2, 3 times until they get that suds. Yeah, I needs that. It passed the test. I was feeling fresh and slightly minty, like very slight. And I checked my T-zone to see if there was like oil residue, and it was nothing. On the back, it has the steps. How mindful, very cutesy. Okay, so this, you have the booster drops. You shake it well before you use it. Apply about 2 to 3 drops. I apply to every part of my face. And you blend that evenly into the face, neck, and chest. These drops did not feel oily, but like a thick serum. And then once I was finished, it felt a little sticky. I felt like a residue. But we're going to continue on to the next step. The face cream felt like your typical face cream. It has a light smell to it. I didn't feel like my face was not breathable, as if it was like shea butter or too thick. And this is my first time trying any eye cream, so I just I don't know what to do. But it was very thin. I thought it was gonna be almost like sunscreen because it felt that thick, but it blended very well. Can't wait to see like what it would do over time. Anyway, my face feels very clean and that sticky feeling went away. But was this worth the buy? I would say yes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.